Hello, welcome back. Today let's try to solve another Leetcode problem. 1839, longest substring of all vowels in order. So what did I mean by vowels? It means N, A, E, I, O, U, and it should be sorted in order, like this way. If it is not in order, so we will not count it. We just need to return the longest. So for example, this one with A, E, I, O, U in order, and the longest is 13. So we just need to return the 13. Let's check the word.less. It is 5 times 10 to the power of 5. Yeah, that is okay because I'm going to use ON to solve the problems. ON time complexity, I mean. So for such problem, because it is a consecutive arrays, and we just need to list group by group. So if it is just AE, it meet AEI meets the condition, we will list a group like this, and then we're gonna check if it meets conditions or not. We just need to check if inside there are 5 distinct characters or not. Now, for the next step, we're gonna check this character A, and then go to the next A, and then I, O, until we go from here, we find the longest. So we're gonna return this result. Now let me finish my template for such problem. Normally for the list groups template problem, it always happened up to now. I did more than like 10 Leetcode problems like this, and basically they are just easy and medium Leetcode problems. Yeah, most of the time it is easy. Sometimes, yeah, it may be medium problems. And for this one, it's a medium problems. Now let me just finish the template. So for the result, it will be started as a 0 because if we didn't find it, we still gonna return a 0. So for the result, I'm gonna prepare a 0. And for I, the first index will be started from 0, and then it will be the n, it is the length of the word. So 0, 0, and length of the word. Now I'm going to use the to while loop. So while I less than n, and my start pointer will have a record of I, and then for the inner loop, I will be less than n minus 1, and nums I should equal, not equal, it should be length nums less than and equal to nums I plus 1. Yeah, you may wonder, it is a string. Why you can compare a string with another string? In Python, actually, you can compare like this. Yeah, so this is why I write the code like this. This is even more simpler. You don't need to convert it into odd with numbers. Yeah, you just need to compare the string directly. Now, let's just update the I pointer by 1. So if it meets the condition, the I pointer will be shifted to the right. But we have a record of the start. It means we can use it for our checking. Yeah. Now we have a record from start to I. We just need to check if inside there are 5 distinct characters, because this line is for checking the order, for checking the sequence. Now we just need to check if inside there are 5 distinct characters. How should we check? We just need to use if set, and inside we need to list the word from start to I plus 1. Because I plus 1 is not included. Actually, this is from start to index I. Yeah, so if the length of it is equal to 5, we're gonna update the result should be equal to the max of result with I minus start plus 1. And here we just need to put it inside a length. Let me put it inside a length. Yeah, if it is 5, it means we have 5 distinct characters. We need to update the result. Otherwise, we're gonna not update it. After that, the I pointer would be shifted by 1. And the type complexity is just on. And we should need to return the result, because if we didn't do anything, the result will be 0. If we do anything, we will update the result. Now let me submit it to check if it can pass all the testing cases. For the nums, yeah, that is normal. If we are using the template, maybe, yeah, we didn't check the variables carefully. We need to always check the variables before submitting. Let me copy. Oh, where I did something wrong. Let me copy the word just. Copy this word and copy to this word. Now let me run it to check if it is okay first. As you can see, it works. Now let me submit it to check if it can pass all the testing cases. Even we use to while loop, but we're just updating the I one by one. So that is why the time complexity is just on. Even here, we use the length set list, but that didn't increase the time complexity. Yeah, at most the time is O 2 times n, but it is still, for big O, it is still on time complexity. Yeah, as you can see, it works and it's pretty fast. Thank you for watching. If you think this is helpful, please like and subscribe. I will upload more Leetcode problems like that. See you next time.